Number 9, we are looking to multiply the polynomial. There's multiple ways to do this. The first one I'm going to show is by the distributive property. So 3m times m, this becomes 3m squared. The 3m times the 9 becomes a plus 27m. Then you have the 1 gets distributed to the m, so that's 1m. Then you have 1 times 9, that is 1 times 9 becomes 9. Notice these two are like terms. This becomes 28m. Bring everything else down. Here is the 3m squared. And then you have the 9 in the end as the constant. So after you multiply, you get the answer 3m squared plus 28m plus 9. So B, I'm going to show this using hopefully the area model. Okay, let's see if I can set up the area model for this one. So looks like this. There's 3 pieces. Okay, and then I want to cut this in half because I want 2. Right, good. And then it has to be by 3. So here's the first one, and hopefully this is the second one. Perfect. All right. So the first one, this is the t minus 2. That is the first part, and the second part is t squared minus 5t plus 1. They go into the individual box. So we have t times t squared. This becomes t cubed. T squared times negative 2 becomes negative 2t squared. Right? Negative 5t times t becomes negative 5t squared. Then we have negative 5t times negative 2 becomes positive 10t. Then we have 1 times t becomes t. 1 times negative 2 becomes a negative 2. All right. Notice these are actually like terms here. Negative 5t squared and negative 2t squared becomes, I think, a negative 7t squared. These are also like terms. The t here and the 10t becomes 11t. Okay, bring everything else. So that is the t to the third here, and we have a minus 2 in the end. So the final solution can be written as t to the third minus 7t squared plus 11t minus 2. Right? And now we can do the C one. Okay? All right. So here you can do it whatever you want. The distributive property like I did in A, or the area model. So for this one, I'm just going to do the distributive property. D times 2d becomes 2d to the third. D times d becomes d squared. Then d times 7 becomes 7d. You have d times 2d squared becomes 12d squared. 6 times negative d becomes negative 6d. Then you have 6 times 7 becomes, I think, 42. Okay, are there any like terms? Let's see. Yes, this and this are like terms. Okay, because they both have d squared. Negative d squared and 12d squared becomes a 11d squared. Okay. These are also like terms here. 7d and negative 6d becomes a 1d. Okay, bring everything else down. Those aren't like terms, so you have 2d cubed, and then bring down that 42 here as well. All right, so you can write this neatly as 2d to the third plus 11d squared. No one writes that 1, so just plus d plus 42. That would be the ending solution after you multiply. So there you go. That is how you multiply the polynomial.